Well, let's quickly wind this down. Mangalam joins us to help us out with a few updates that came in. Mangalam.
Well, we start with Titan that just recently came in strong revenue growth. It's led by festive and wedding season and gold price rise. If you look at the jewellery business, the standalone revenue grew at 24%. Jewellery business showed a revenue growth of 26%, in which it was led largely by gold coins and gold itself because of the gold price rise. 24% growth out there is what we've seen, whereas studded sales showed a good growth of 21% as well. But because of the gold price being higher and gold sales being higher, studded ratio may come down. Other businesses, barring watches and wearables, which grew 15%, haven't shown as big growth as expected. Emerging businesses in particular have grown just by 5% due to flat sales of Taneira. Key to track will be performance of all the other players that they report, because over the last few quarters they've been outperforming Titan. Margins would be lower due to higher salience of gold price and lower studded ratio. And growth path for CaratLane and Taneira are something that I'll particularly be watching out for. For Titan, see mild green at the open. Perhaps thereafter we'll look for more details coming by. For Marico, good performance coming in on the revenue front, largely led by price hikes in copra and vegetable oil. Out there, the operating profits is something that the company is a little watchful about, but good growth overall in the revenues itself with sequential volume pickup. See green there. And Nykaa as well, over 20% overall revenue growth, led by beauty business, gross merchandise value growing over 30%, fashion growing 20% as well, slightly subdued on the fashion side, but beauty will more than make up for that.
Okay, and it is looking rather beautiful right now in the pre-open. Nykaa is up about 4%. Mangalam, thank you very much for that. So a lot of these updates are going to be, of course, in sharp focus from the BFSI space and from the consumer companies that have reported over the weekend. Well,